Here's how to use a route in Zora. Open the Tools panel from the menu button on the right. Select the Nav tab and open the Routes list. Tap the route you want to follow. The chart zooms to show the whole route, and a top bar shows the route name, route point count, and total distance. The first route point is shown in green. That's your start point. A dashed green line connects your boat to it, the leg you'll sail before reaching the route. To start from a different point, tap any other route point on the chart. It turns green and the preview line snaps to it. When you're ready, tap Start. The route top bar now shows your live navigation data, estimated time of arrival at the next route point, velocity made good, course over ground, bearing to the next route point, distance to it, and a cross-track error indicator. You can also see the route on the PND. Switch to it by tapping the left arrow in the app bar or by swiping to the right. The PND shows the next route point as a green marker on the bearing dial. The vessel icon shifts off-center, left or right, to show your cross-track error at a glance. To return to the chart, tap the right arrow in the app bar or swipe to the left. Tap ETA to switch it to time to go. Tap the top bar to expand the route tools. The arrow buttons here aren't undo and redo while you're navigating. They skip to the previous or next route point. Handy if you want to jump ahead or step back along the route. The Add button drops a new route point at your boat's current position. Useful if you've intentionally moved off the planned line and want the route to follow where you actually are. Edit lets you adjust the route on the chart while you're still underway. While editing, the top bar offers 3 ways to commit. Reroute applies your edits to the active route only. The saved route file stays untouched. Zora itself uses reroute for weather routing and hazard avoidance, keeping your original plan intact. Save permanently stores the changes to the route file and reroutes live navigation onto the new line. And cancel discards everything and keeps you on the original route. The side panel button opens the full leg-by-leg breakdown, each route point with its ETA and remaining distance, updating live as you go. As you pass each route point, Zora automatically advances to the next leg. When you're done, whether you've arrived or want to end early, tap Stop. That's it. You're underway.